Dash cams aren't just for police anymore. With dozens on sale through Amazon and other retailers, it's easy to get extra eyes on the road for your vehicle. We got a package from Nexar dash cams recently, and I'm really excited to open it up and test it out. Dash cams come in a few different forms, but essentially they're cameras for your car. You can find front-facing dash cams that look into your vehicle. These are great for rideshare drivers, or you can find outward-facing ones that look out of your car. These are more multi-purpose. Parents with teenagers learning to drive, or anyone who wants to protect their ride will find these cameras really helpful. So big thanks to Nexar for sending us this. They have a ton of different HD dash cams to choose from, and we've linked to a few of those in the description below. Let's go ahead and open it up. All right, open up the moment of truth. The thing about this one is I wasn't sure what it was because there was no labeling beyond Nexar. But, here she is. That is so compact and cute. All right. Look how little it is. It's roughly, what, the size of my palm? Isn't that cool? You can just grab it. So it looks like on here we've got a power slot, power outlet, button, SD card comes with it. That's pretty cool. That looks like a speaker, reset. All right, let's see what's in the instructions. I love the size of this. This is so small. All right, we've got some literature. Oh, a whole bunch of, all right, 1, 2, 3. We'll read those. And then, oh, a long power cable, okay. Hopefully you don't have too many gadgets in your car that this would get in the way of, but we'll see. All right, wow, okay, we got a whole bunch of goodies in here. Got a, what looks like a power cable. You can see that. These sticky mounts, kind of what they look like. Power adapter. Use the other one for your aux cable, play some tunes and record yourself dancing to them. I don't know what this is. This looks like someone's broken sunglasses. I'm not really sure what this does, but we'll see. And then this looks like the mount that you stick the camera on is my guess. We'll see, I'll have to read the literature. Looks like, yeah, power goes in here. Make sure you can see that. Pretty cool, okay, yeah. And you can angle it. I will be reading the literature a little, or the instructions and everything a little deeper, and we'll be having a review coming out soon. So we'll learn more. This is the Nexar Beam. From what I remember, it is a 1080p. Oh, that's kind of cool. If you're a rideshare driver, you can let your rides know that you are recording, that they are on camera. There's a few reasons you might want to, just for your own liability's sake, if someone misbehaves in your ride, to put it lightly. You'll have evidence, as well as for accidents, for insurance. That's really good to have. You can submit any tapes or video to your insurance. Okay, here's the instructions on cabling. Ta-da! And then everything else. That's what it says. All right, number 3. And there's how we do it. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm excited to set this up and try it out. I've never used a dash cam before. We're gonna go ahead and give this a try. So we've got this plugged into a USB adapter, but in your car it'll look a little different. Go ahead and pop in the power. Here we go. It's alive! All right, and then I've got the app going right here as well. So So let's go ahead and continue. Let's find your dash cam. Allow. Does that thing that tech always does when you first start it up and you just want to get going, but then it's like bink, 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 notifications constantly. Here we go.
Okay, so we've got the Nexar dash cam set up. Looks like this is a one-way dash cam. So that means I can set it up either pointing out of the windshield or into the car. So I think this would be good for rideshare drivers if you say ride for Uber or Lyft. This way you can record your passengers or your rides as they happen for liability purposes, or turn them out so you can record any fender benders or accidents that might happen on your ways around town.
And there you have it, the Nexar Beam. Thanks again to Nexar for sending us this. We'll be testing it out in the near future. So like, subscribe, and check us out for more. We've also got a list of more top-notch dash cams in the description, along with other vehicle safety tips. Thanks for watching and stay safe. Thanks for watching. And if you want more safety, head over to safewise.com and you can find reviews and our lineups of best home security systems, best wireless cameras, and more. Stay safe.